All right, guys, we got MOTOPOWER here. So this is the 12-volt digital battery tester, their charging system analyzer. So a couple things about this: it is smart, accurate, and easy to use. So you're gonna be able to connect everything without any problems here. So I got my wife's van out. This is gonna make it super simple to be able to work with. Let's go ahead and crack it open and see what we are working with here. A couple things here. So the 12-volt digital battery tester designed to test the voltage of the 12-volt battery charging system. So it tells you what you're able to do here and how you're able to hook it up. It says connect the battery clamp correctly with the battery post, the red clamp to the positive post of battery, and the black clamp to the negative post of battery. If connect reversely, the reverse LED will turn on. So it's really cool that it will indicate that aspect. So let's go ahead and open it up here and see what we're working with. So if the connection is correct, it will turn on for the display. You do have a nice lengthy lead here, which I like. Most of the time these things are super small. And then to test the alternator charging system, start the engine. So we're able to test the alternator as well as the 12-volt battery. So let's go ahead and make this happen. So we are going to separate these guys. Now we are going to, it says first the red clamp with the red post. So let's go ahead and open it up here. We're gonna go straight to the red post. Whoops. Just like so. And then we have the black post over here. Should be turning right on. Just like that. You already have it on, so 12.22 here, and it does say low. So that's kind of interesting. We are getting a low reading out of it. So really nice to be able to show that. It's not on reverse. So I do want to show you guys, if we put it on the reverse, what is going to happen. So let's go ahead and disconnect the black and the red. So we're able to pop this one over here. We'll go opposite direction. See how it shows the reverse light? You can see the reverse light is going to show it up on here, which that matters at the end of the day. So let's go ahead and flip it back around. And then what I'm going to do is we're going to show you how it works. I'm going to actually start the engine. So we got a good connection there. I'm actually going to start the engine. Get this in here. Okay. And we're still getting a low reading, but I'm going to leave this just about so in a spot, hopefully where you can see it and it won't fall. So hopefully we get, now what we have to do is we start the engine, and it's going to tell us how the alternator is. So real quick. We got the engine started up, and it should give us a good reading of the alternator. So I would say that's actually good. So we got low voltage on the battery. Again, could be that hasn't been driven today because some various things with it. But we have a good on the alternator, which is super positive to see. Guys, this thing is really nice. You're just able to check things kind of all the time, staying on the up and up. We're running into summertime, so we want to make sure we're staying on top of things, which is super important here, and you're not having any issues. Guys, you got to check out MOTOPOWER. This is going to give you the state of the charge without any problems. So guys, at the end of the day, definitely check it out.